guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been MIA for a while because I just finished my first semester of college and I had crazy finals, so yeah, but I'm back and I've come with a haul of 3 new sets of some gel polishes by this brand called Pecan. I've got some browns, some purples, and some cat eyes, so we're gonna be swatching those today. And I have a lot of old swatches that I just put on these like pieces of cardboard, but it looks genuinely kind of ugly. So I bought this binder and it's like those nail art binders, but I'm going to put all of my butterfly swatches in these little pages. And I bought little labels. They look like this. They're like mini little labels, so I can label like each swatch and like what brand it's from at the top. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to do all of my old ones first and then I'll swatch the new ones, so stay tuned for that. And if you just want to get to the new ones, you can just skip to the other part of the video. I'll put the timestamp down below or on the screen, you know. So in order to put all of these into this book, I need to put some sticky double-sided tape. So I have some of these. You can just get this on Amazon in like a lot of like bulk. And I got these new tweezers from a bunch of charms that I bought, and you can find that haul on my Instagram and TikTok, which will be linked down below. But I'm just going to, first of all, I'm going to place the label. This is for my Gaoi set. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm just going to write the brand name. And then I'm going to take it off. If I could grab it. It's crazy. There we go. I'm gonna try to center this as best as I can. And also, do you like my nails? I just did them. Yeah, they're so cute. Yeah, so now I'm going to put down all of the sticky tabs and I'll be back. Okay, I think that should be enough for now, but I can always put more. So now I'm going to peel these off and start placing my swatches for this collection, and then I'm going to put the labels and just write down like the number of each one. It's actually kind of hard to get them off. This one just literally popped off. I'm gonna have to redo it. I think this one is 1846. So that's this one. Bruh. I can't believe that happened. That's actually crazy. Okay, so now that I put all of these in, I'm going to label each one, but I think these are a bit too thick for the spaces in between, so I might cut these in half, I think. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do, because then it's just easier. also have this huge box of swatches as well, like French tip swatches and like all the other brands. This is not swatch. All the other brands of polishes that I have. And so, okay. So we're just gonna go through these and just label everything. And yeah. Okay, so this Reezy brand is done. So I think next I'm gonna go with my beetles. I'm gonna leave a little bit more space and I'll start the beetles here. Just in case I ever get like any more of these. Okay, since I have very little space here, I'm just going to add in all like the miscellaneous brands I have, like these Born Pretty ones, this brand, this one, and this one. So I'm going to add each of those like in columns here, since they're like really small quantities. These last two of my previous collections. It's the Mao Mia, which I actually really like. Their gels, they're really cute and like consistent. Where is this? I think it goes there. And then this is the Rueo Fian. I hope I'm saying that right, but these are like really cute pastels and they have like a nice glass bottle and like really consistency in their gels, so that's really good too. But I'm just gonna put both of these on this page. For some reason, these bottles have like the same numbers, but I wonder if it like pertains to like a certain lot, I guess. Because they don't have a color number, it's just like the the number, the number from like the bottom of the bottle. So I just put it, but like I'm not really sure. So yeah. Now we're gonna get to the really fun part, which is unboxing and swatching these 4 new collections, which I'm so excited about. I got 2 cat eyes and 2 regular colors. So I'm gonna put this book aside for a sec, and we're gonna unbox these and swatch these. So I'm going to use the butterflies. Just stay. I also have circles, but I feel like the butterflies are cuter. Yeah. So, and then I have like these pink stands. But first, I think I'll just go collection by collection. And there's 5 in each. So I just need 1 stand. Okay, so this is the first one. I think it's the cat eye. Like one of the cat eyes. And these are like the glass cat eyes, not like the glittery ones. So they're more pretty. So this is what the collection and the bottles look like. They're super cute. I'll just go like color by color and swatch it. These are so gorgeous. I can't wait to use them in the future. It's gonna be awesome. Where did my pen? Oh, here it is. I still don't really know like where to put the gels, so I'm just gonna put them back in their boxes for now until I have like a place to actually store them, because all my stands or like organizers are full at the moment. Okay, so now we're gonna do the second set of cat eye gels, and they're like, these ones are like 2 colors. The previous set was 1 color, and these are 2 colors. The first one is this blue and purple. that's all the polishes that I have. Everything that's in here is all documented and swatched. These still aren't sticking down for some reason, but it's fine. So here's a reveal of the whole book. I have to say this page is my favorite, but that's just me. Comment down below like which polishes were your favorite. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!